Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am super excited to unbox with you guys today my summer 2020 DecoCrated box. If you are watching this near May 22nd, this is a spoiler, so don't watch unless you want to know about the goods. I did something completely different this time. Instead of going through my traditional where I cut open the box and I pull each item out, I've already pulled everything out. I've been playing with it for about a week now, and this might be the best box yet. I kid you not. Here is the magazine. It talks about the items inside and the designer. I'm not gonna look all the way through, or show y'all, should I say. But the featured artist is Kate and Casey, and they are a design duo, and they are the ones who curated the theme and a lot of the pieces you'll see throughout. So, let's dive in. You always get a piece of art, and this is the one we got. Y'all might have seen them dropping lemons on different things. That's because it's a little bit of lemon inspiration. I usually hang this on my DecoCrated chalkboard where I put other important announcements and things in my office, and it's so cute. And you actually can reverse it if you want. Love my little arts. Now, what should I show you guys next? It's all right here. How about this gorgeous mirror that also has a chain so you can hang it as art, or you can place it flat. It is the natural wood that we've been seeing. Oh look, y'all can see my brand new camera. Hi. The natural wood we've been seeing a lot of in their boxes. It's not heavy at all. It's like when you think wood, you're like, God, that's gonna be heavy. Nope, it's not. The chain is beautiful. And really, it has a lot of different ways you can use this. You can see here how I have it styled in my office. I absolutely love this tray. It is so cute. Okay, up next is this guy. So, love this geometric, you could call it a planter, a decor box, because it can hang, or you can set it somewhere. It is lightweight once again. It is the same gold that we've seen in a few of their other boxes. You can see how I styled it here in my house. This is one of the kabillion ways that it was flying through my brain that this thing could be used. This is definitely another piece that goes cross seasons. Like, it's not just summer. I could deck this out for Christmas in about a hot 5 seconds. As always, they send us pillowcases. I've already thrown my pillows in my cases. These are so cute because they do have the yellow fronts, but then they have the woven backs, and I absolutely love these pillows. If you're interested in the pillow inserts and what size works best, I do have it linked below in the video, so you can order those online through Amazon. Because I think every box I've ever gotten, they've included fresh pillowcases, and that's one of the things I love the most. And I even see majority of them coordinate. Like, I have them all intermingled and crisscrossed, and pillows from past boxes stacked in with these pillows. Anyways, super love these pillows. We'll put one of them right here. Now this is an item I think you guys are super gonna love. Look how cute this guy is. He's 3-sided, so you can rotate for what colors you're wanting to show. Has his rocks built in. I love him. I put him in my office. You can see him here. This is how I styled him in my office with the mirror tray. I absolutely love it. The quality is very good. The succulents look so real. Like this one in particular, my kids walked up and I saw them go, and they still couldn't decide if it was real or not. This is one of my favorites, like this little guy right here. So here, let's set this up so we can have all the gorgeousness showing off. Another item in the box is this mat. I went to layer it on my front door and then couldn't. I was like, I want it inside where I see it. I don't use my front door. I don't ever see what's out there. It's really kind of sad. So I put this inside. I do think it is an indoor use rug by the way it feels. The quality is amazing, by the way. It is very, very well done. And it has been sitting at my front door for a week now, and not once have we had a stain. We've had mud, rain, everything, so it's held up well with kiddos. And so you can see where I have this styled here in my house. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, there was one item that DecoCrated put a spoiler out for. So y'all have seen, if not this whole item, bits and pieces of it over time. It is I think it's my favorite item. I really love these two, but it might be my favorite item yet. This tray. So note, this is the same natural wood as our mirror and a few of the other items received in the past. It's so daggone cute. I immediately went and plucked fresh lavender out of my garden and crunched it up to put it on here. I love drinking lemon in my water, so I do my lemon on here. And a little plant. I got some farm fresh eggs. I've had this sitting on the counter. I've actually wondered if a few of y'all who follow me on Instagram have seen this accidentally in the background, because I got so excited. I immediately put it in my kitchen. But let me show you this. So it is this tray, right? So cute. They're removable. So you can take this and set this anywhere you want. It does not have to stay in here. So if you've had this for a while and you're like ready to mix it up, you can pop these guys out and go use them. It is pure brilliance, pure brilliance. It's very lightweight, so it's not super heavy. It's very sturdy. It's been on the counter with my kids. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, so jumping back here. They talk about the key themes and the colors inside this box. So if you're like, I am not naturally a design person, they show you how to style it, what colors to style it with. There are actual photos throughout showing each of the pieces, showing the pieces. So like, look how they did their tray. It shows the pieces with past DecoCrated pieces. You can get online on the DecoCrated group. I think it's called The DecoCraters. I can link it below on Facebook, and everybody shares what they're doing, how they're doing it, all the cool design. It's really, really awesome. In here they show, like, these are all past DecoCrated items. And these are the baskets, if you followed it all, I'll post a picture here, that I have on my fireplace right now that I ordered from the DecoCrated online store. So once you are a DecoCrated box member, you get all access to their online store, but only subscribers, at least right now, get access to it. And they have really, really great prices on cute stuff. And they're working on getting past items from past boxes in there. It is brilliant. So yeah, they have a ton of style tips that you can peek through here and check those out. It's really, really great. And then, let's flip to the back. If you are sharing and hashtagging your stuff, you can get published in the magazine featuring your stuff. So I say hashtag and share away so you can be printed in the DecoCrated magazine, because that's pretty cool. Okay, if you've been around here at all, you know what happens next. It's time to go flip my fireplace mantle, which is what I do every time I get a DecoCrated box. So let's go.